If you want to set a custom message tone on Google Pixel 11, then there are two things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is you can change the notification sound and set a custom audio as the notification sound. So in settings, you can go to sound and vibration. Then here you can choose notification. Now here we have the My Sounds option, and you can use this plus button in the bottom right corner to then choose the audio file that you wish to set for custom notification sound. So in here, if you see like recent files or stuff like that, then you might need to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner. And then, for example, you can choose audio and try to locate the audio file that I assume you have on your phone that you wish to set as a custom notification sound. And then once you select it, and if you go back to My Sounds, you need to select it from this list and tap on Save. However, this of course changes the sound for all notifications on your phone. And if you prefer to change the sound just for new messages, so only if you receive a new message in the Messages app, then if you want to set a custom sound for that, you want to go back to Settings and choose Notifications this time. Over here, go to App Notifications, and in here we need to find the Messages app. You might need to tap on the Most Recent to switch to All Apps in order to find the Messages app over here. Now we're gonna go to Show Unused Categories. You might need to tap on that and then go to Default Settings. And then here we have Incoming Messages, so choose this. And now in here we can tap on the Sound option. And then you can choose the custom sound that should be used for new messages. So most likely you want to go to My Sounds again. If you have added the song already, then of course you can just pick it from this list. If not, then you have to repeat the process here by using this plus in the bottom right corner, and of course save your changes. So now if I receive new messages in the Messages app, then that selected sound is going to be played. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.